Om Shanti. The Corona pandemic days. Today, when I have gone to purchase some vegetables, there I have seen the row of customers and people are getting much more irritated. They were feeling depressed, fearful, and a thought came to me, why is this happening? Why are people getting irritated even for no reason? Then suddenly an answer came to me. Due to this corona pandemic, just staying at home and negativity of the atmosphere made them to behave in such a way as they have taken all the efforts to build themselves intellectually, socially, economically, but no one have even realized the effort for developing themselves emotionally, psychologically, and the most important which I want to focus is spiritually, because in our education system we teach everything to student, just ignoring the spiritual virtues which are the base for each type of development: intellectual, emotional, behavioral. Every aspect of education should be related with spirituality, because spirituality is the base. It is the power of science from which, sorry, I wanted to say, it is the power of silence. Spirituality is related to the silence. When we start meditation, we come to feel the power of silence within us, and that silence generates the science, because when we just stay for some time in silence, the new ideas always emerge in our mind, which increases our creativity also. And those ideas which are generated from silence are always helpful to nature. Spirituality is the base for science, and from the spirituality is the base for silence, and from the silence, science is generated. So, science has the base of silence, and silence has the base of spirituality. So, it means growing a student in a spiritual way is much and more important. So, we should start meditating in a day at least for 10 to 15 minutes. We are having 24 hours, out of which, let us say, the 6 hours go to sleep, then still we have 18 hours. From that 18 hours, we can just withdraw our 15 minutes and start meditation. During meditation, we should get connected with the Supreme and should have in ourselves, in our intellect, we should have the thoughts like that of, I am a peaceful being. I am a happiest soul. I am a powerful soul. All these things should be in our brain, in our intellect, and during meditation, when you are connecting with yourself or when you are connecting with the Supreme, then at that time, with these thoughts, the feeling will come to you, because the thoughts are the things which generates the feelings. So during this thought, the feeling will come to you that you are really a peaceful being. That peace can be felt by you during that meditation. The happiness, the powers that can be felt within you during meditation. So we should grow ourselves spiritually also. So for that, let's start meditation during a day for at least 15 minutes. Om Shanti.